Let's discuss how effective Agile teams use planning poker to align on estimates for user stories. Planning poker is a consensus-based estimation technique where the entire team collaboratively determines the effort required to complete a product backlog item. The primary objectives of this technique are to encourage teamwork and collaboration, ensure that everyone can contribute their opinions without undue influence from others, and foster a better shared understanding of the requirements. The goal is for the whole team to agree on a deliverable estimate. The planning poker process typically unfolds as follows. First, the product owner presents the user story to the team, providing context and answering initial questions. This step ensures everyone has a basic understanding of the task at hand. Next, the team engages in a more in-depth discussion, asking clarifying questions and sharing insights. This dialogue helps uncover potential complexities or dependencies that might affect the estimate. Following the discussion, each team member privately selects a card representing their estimate. This individual reflection allows everyone to form their own opinion without immediate influence from others. Then, all team members reveal their cards simultaneously. This simultaneous reveal prevents anchoring bias, where early estimates might unduly influence others. If there's a significant discrepancy between estimates, the team discusses the reasons for high and low estimates. This conversation often uncovers different perspectives or misunderstandings about the user story. Finally, based on this discussion, the team aligns on a consensus estimate. This final step ensures that the entire team is committed to the agreed-upon estimate. By following this structured approach, planning poker helps teams arrive at more accurate estimates while promoting collaboration and shared understanding. Okay, that's all for today. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.